We are in Hongdae and this is the weather today. Hi! Yo.
कौन क्वेश्चन है?
नहीं आई मीन हमारा डिस्कशन जो हो रहा था वो पॉज करेंगे हम थोड़ा.
अच्छा हाँ हाँ अपन भी चालू कर देते हैं उसमें क्या है?
हेलो एवरीवन. अभी 1 मिनट बाकी है 5 बजने को, तो मैं रेडी हूँ लाइव. हेलो.
गाना गाया 4 बज गए.
अभी 5 बजे. हम अंदर जाके फोटोज खींचेंगे.
हाँ, वो भी है.
हेलो. This is me. हेलो. हमारा 2 तरफा लाइव है. तो we are now going in BD21 store. What did you miss? We did not miss anything. I just entered. Annyeong. Hi. Because of COVID, who is with you? I have a friend. Hello everyone. Oh, look at this. They're so cute. Turn. My favorite. My favorite. These are dark chocolates. Dark chocolates. Oh my god. Thank you. So now we are here in this BD21 store and I'm going to show. Yes, I am in South Korea. I stay in South Korea. We are in BD21 store. BTS is not coming here. This is BD21 store. So as you can see, we have Live, we have Carney, we have Sally, we have Choco. Pink card.
देखो देखो क्या अपडेट है. ये देखो. यहाँ पे सेल. कितना क्यूट है इनका इंटीरियर.
My profession?
यहाँ पे स्मेल कितना मस्त है.
This is in Hongdae. I am in Hongdae right now, and this is BD21 store. अच्छा और भी है. Hi. Yes, I am in Hongdae. Lip essence. 진짜? 진짜야. 진짜 진짜야. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, this is so cute. Hello. Yes, the song is really nice. Tell me who is your favorite. 귀엽다. Tata, yes. Look at him. Oh. I already have a few things. Chimmy. This is the new version. This is the new version which has recently been launched, and these are the baby versions. Oh, he's so cute. Yes, I am in Korea. Oh my god. Oh, sorry. 미안해. Yes, Korea. So I had received some questions from the Q&A which was asked, and I will try to answer as many as I remember. Some people had asked me as to which places are good to travel. So I would definitely recommend this VD21 store, and there are a lot of other places which are very famous here, like Hongdae, Dongdaemun, Seoul. I would definitely recommend visiting a lot of different pretty cafes if you have a lot of time. And then you can also go to Jeju-do, Busan. So these are a lot of places, but depends मतलब कितना खर्चा होगा and how much you should save. It all depends on how long you are planning to stay here and what places you want to travel especially. Yes, I have not seen BTS, but because it is quite difficult to see them because of their schedules, and they have a very private life, so it is not easy to see BTS as you expect. They have got very cute stationery. Yeah, shops are open in Korea. Yes? What is your question? Songkui. It is BD21 store in Hongdae. Situation is quite better in Korea compared to other countries, I would say, because the Korean government is trying really hard to control and to prevent the spread of COVID. So it is not as bad as you see in other countries. I mean, the prices of dolls here, as you can see, they are not that cheap. They are $24. So Indian currency may, if you exchange it, it is not cheap. It is a bit expensive. have other questions like how is my life in Korea. My life in Korea has been good so far. Yes, Neha, I would love to take you here. Can you shrink yourself so that I can put you in my pocket and take you here? I do have some stuff from BD21 store, like I have this one here. And then this one is so cute. I want to buy this. But you know, these are a bit expensive, but definitely I would buy them someday. Yeah, they do have BTS bags. I will show you when I come across them. Thank you. I can ship, but the shipping will be like for 4 months and it will be very expensive. I can't ship everything to India. Oh my god, he's so cute. You will ship yourself? Okay. I hope you survive 3 months without food and water and toilet in the cruise. Oh my god, he's so... And it slides up, see? If you press, it starts sliding up. Oh my god, he's blushing. I like everything about Korea. I have a very amazing family. I have my friends here. I like the seasons. If I would have to pick, I love the seasons here. 네, 한국말도 할 수 있어요. Yes, I am an Indian. I am not taking off my mask right now because of COVID situations here, but I hope you guys remember me if you have seen my face. And we are in BD21 store. Yes, 난 한국말도 할 수 있고 여기 나랑 같이 있는 친구도 한국말 할 수 있어요. 여기
네, 안녕하세요.
친구분
처음
한국말.
뵙겠습니다.
네, 여기 나랑 있는 친구도 한국말 잘할 수 있고. I have been here for 3 years now. I will show you other stuff. Oh my god, look at him. 잘자, 잘자. నే తెలుగు도 మాట్లాడవచ్చు కానీ అంత స్పష్టంగా రాదు, కొంచెం కొంచెం వస్తుంది. ఇంట్లో అందరూ తెలుగు మాట్లాడతారు కదా, అందుకని తెలుగు మాట్లాడటం వచ్చు, చదవటం రాయటం రాదు. Yes. These are danglers. These are so cute. I don't have a bias. I am crazy over everybody. I don't know how to speak Tamil. I'm so sorry. I'm not sure. They must be having watches. मैंने कोरियन खुद से सीखी है.
But today, like, we have some time with us.
हिंदी में क्या बोलूँ? हिंदी तो बोल ही रही हूँ मैं. हिंदी तो रोज ही बोलती हूँ मैं. A lot of you have asked questions about how it is staying in Korea, and I would like to say that I really like it. These are passport cases here. कोरिया आने में कितने पैसे लगेंगे? डिपेंडिंग, टिकट्स शायद 50,000 का यू विल गेट रिटर्न. आरफिया, हाय आरफिया. ही इज एंग्री. Wow, he's so cute. 보고 싶다. 나도 보고 싶다. Oh my god, he's so handsome. Do you want to be his friend? Oh, this is a family. Happy family. I learned Korean myself because I have my Korean family who help me, who support me, and I also have Korean friends who helped me a lot. My favorite Korean food is spicy food, so I like spicy tteokbokki. I am born and brought up in Mumbai. I used to stay in Mumbai before going to Korea. 사랑해, 나도 사랑해. 여운하? Nahi, compared to India, Korea is not cheap. Korea is a bit expensive because Korea is a developed country and the standard of living here is high. So yes, it is expensive. It is not cheap like India. I can take my pictures here. This is VD21 selfie zone. Yay! I want to come to India, but maybe I'll come after the COVID situation is a bit better because if I come now, I'll have to do self-quarantine, which is a bit difficult. Oh my god, look at this. This is so cute. He's sleeping. Yeah. And I have this. He is so cute. I like both. I like Indian food as well as Korean food. I am staying in Korea. I work in Korea. I have been staying here since 3 years now. कोरिया में आने का कितना पैसा लगता है इट डिपेंड्स ऑन फॉर व्हाट यू आर कमिंग. अगर पढ़ाई करने के लिए आ रहे हो तो मिनिमम 7 से 10 लाख पकड़ लो क्योंकि यू हैव टू सेव फॉर योर फीस एंड एवरीथिंग इफ यू आर कमिंग फॉर ट्रैवल. सो 1,50,000 तक हो जाएगा तुम्हारा ट्रैवल. नो, I came here and then I found my job. Korean boyfriend. I have a Korean husband. My favorite BTS song is Dynamite. In Korean currency, I'm not sure. 1,000 Korean won is almost close to $1. So, you just multiply this with, this is $28,000. Sorry, this is 28,000 won. So this will be $28. So, I usually do like that. So that is kind of easier for me. Yes, I am vegetarian. 안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. I am into consulting. తెలుగులో మాట్లాడితే చాలా మందికి అర్థం కాదు, అందుకనే హిందీ లేదా కొరియన్లో మాట్లాడదాం బెటర్. హాయ్. Job opportunities right now here depends on the skills and the qualifications that you have because the market is very tight here, especially with all the COVID and all. So you need to have the qualifications and the skills that they require. Can you please say Meenakshi, Alona, Nancy? Indian trainee, they usually do. Trainees are usually not paid salaries here. You will get very, very, very less money or no money at all. घूमने आना है तो 2 lakhs minimum. Have 2 lakhs. Where is he? My husband is not here. He is somewhere else playing. I met my husband when he was working in India and we dated there for some time, and then we got married. Eurosa. My husband's name is Hua Rui Seng. Hua Rui Seng, or his English name is Victor. I will do a giveaway for this BD21 if BD21 can sponsor me or Love Carnival any day in future. No, I haven't been to any K-pop concert because I have been to concert but not a K-pop concert as such. I have studied Korean on my own. I have used various online resources, and I spoke to my family and to my friends in Korean, and they helped me a lot. No, BTS is not here. Sadly, BTS is not here. It's only me. It's only me here. Yes, I want to buy so many things from here, but not now. I don't have a lot of money at the moment. How many languages can you speak? I can speak 5 Indian languages and English and Korean, so I can speak 7 languages. No, I haven't been to any BTS concert. Telugu అమ్మాయి నేను తెలుగు అమ్మాయిని. My mother tongue is Telugu, so I can speak Telugu. I can speak Marathi because my hometown is Mumbai. Yes, I am multilingual. No, I mean, yeah, there is discrimination, but not very serious discrimination. It depends from person to person. Every person has their own opinion about different people or foreigners. So I am not sure if it is okay for me to tell something which is talking about the whole nation right now. Yes, the value of Korean currency is less than Indian currency, but the value of the money is more. Yes, there are vegetarian dishes here. There are vegetarian banchans, which are called side dish. అవును, ఇంట్లో అందరు ఒప్పుకున్నారు, అందుకనే తెలుగు సంప్రదాయంగా పెళ్లి చేశారు. So basically that person is asking me, did my parents and everybody in my family agree to my marriage? And I told him that yes, because my parents and everybody agreed for our marriage, I am married to a Korean. Yes, Korea has a lot of foreigners now compared to the olden days. They have a lot of goodies here. I will buy sometime later. My native place, I am born and brought up from Mumbai. Depends on for what country you want to work. Thank you. I did not use any app. I just used the basic translation apps like Papago, Naver Dictionary, or Google Dictionary. Thank you. मराठीमध्ये काय बोलू? इकडे सगळे छान छान आहे. मला पण हिगो. Okay, I forgot some Marathi. Okay. Oh my God, this is so cute because the stuff are so cute here. I can't remember a lot of words.
My favorite thing from the store.
Hi, Chinchu.
Oh, this is the back side of the movie. Wow.
The hair straightener is here. I'll show you the hair straightener. Thank you. I don't know Malayalam. I only know Venda. Okay, I think somebody's busy watching it, so I'll come back. मराठी बोलायला येते. बाहर में जाऊंगी थोड़ी देर बाद तो दिखा दूंगी बाहर भी क्या है. I don't have any babies yet. हाटू हाटू हाटू. किसी को कोरिया आना है तो बोल दो, ये बैग में बैठ के आ जाना. ये बैग में या ये बैग में कौन सा बैग चाहिए बोलो तो वो भेज दूंगी, तो उसके अंदर बैठ के आ जाना. What types of jobs are available for foreigners? Every type of job. A foreigner can do all the jobs that usually anybody in Korea can do. You just need to have the qualifications that they want for the job. ગુજરાતી બહેન,
બોલો બેન.
ગુજરાતીમાં શું બોલું મેં?
કેમ છો? મજામાં?
કેમ છો? મજામાં. ઢોકળા ખાવાનું છે. હાંડવી હાંડવી ખાવા
હાંડવા,
જાય.
હાંડવા, હાંડવા.
હાંડવો
હાંડવા.
ખાવા જાય આપણે.
અહીંયા હાંડવા નહીં મળતો.
આયા હાંડવા નહીં મળતો. No, I can't see BTS here because BTS is not here. Okay, I'll show you this. I don't have babies yet. I don't know how to speak Kannada. Sorry. Hi, Nancy. अरे मैं अभी BT21 के स्टोर के अंदर हूँ, बाहर मैं बाद में जाऊंगी. फिलहाल स्टोर देख लो, फिर बाद में बाहर का भी दिखा दूंगी. विंटर बटरफ्लाई. हाय. Nancy. Yes, I have visited Kerala once. Even in Korean, your name will be Nancy. We have mask. BD21 mask. Thank you. I will be safe. You can check online. If you Google it, you will know what qualifications are usually required for the jobs. I like vada pav. I don't eat kimchi. 한국말로 뭐 말해야 되는지 아직은 생각하고 있어가지고 한국말로 문제 있으면 나한테 물어보세요. 그러면 나도 한국말로 답을 해드릴게요. 하이 미나씨. BTS is not in this store. 안녕하세요. You have to choose your Korean name. Your Indian name can just be translated into Korean. No, not every South Koreans can speak Korean. English, sorry. They usually study. 한국말도 잘해요. 네, 감사합니다. 하이. Nandini. Chinchu? Chinchu? Miss Silva. Okay, Sneha. This is the hair straightener. They don't have any BD21 hair straightener, I think. I just found this one. I'll check. These are the hair bands. Oh my god, so cute. Hi Meenakshi. Oh. So Tata. Tata. Oh yes, I would love to meet you. Thank you. Yeah, the hairbands are really cute. And these are the money banks. So you put your money here and he will save your money. Hello. Piggy banks. Who wants BD21 piggy banks? Oh, you can put your money here. Yes, I live in Korea. We have some cute umbrellas. These are showpiece toy figure. Everything is so cute. Cookie tata Arjachini. Koya Shuki Mang. The piggy banks are $15. $15. My favorite K-drama recently has been It's Okay to Be Not Okay. These are card cases, so you can put your card, and these are very cute. These are hand mirror, so you can see your face in these. These are mini pouches. You can put your coin. This is a coin pouch. 너무 귀여워. 네, 나도 너무 귀여워요, 다. What to do to come to Korea? You can study Korean, you can go for TOEIC exams, you can try to come to Korea and study in Korea. So there are a lot of options. Depends on what you want to do. मैं बाहर जाऊंगी, but let me finish. यहाँ का टूर करना है ना मुझे पहले, so I'll finish the tour यहाँ का, and then I will go out. I was already out. मैं बाहर से अंदर आते हुए भी मैंने पूरा बाहर का सीन दिखाया हुआ है. Suchi, SUCHI, Suchi. No, they don't have the face mask for BD21 yet. They have minions? Yes, I am working in Korea. If you are coming for travel, you need around 2 lakhs for traveling. But if you are coming for other purposes, you need a lot of money. Hello. This is an international shop. I think you can try going to BD21 store, and if they are doing the shipping, you can get this stuff online as well. Is it expensive? Yes, they are a bit expensive. Korea is not cheaper than India. I speak in Korean with my husband. You want to see me? Okay, here. Yes. Hi. I hope all of you are doing good. I can't remove my mask for a long time because there is nobody around here. I am removing my mask, but usually I don't do because we have to be safe. Thank you. We have such cute postcards here. I'll show you all the postcards. Mumbai street food, definitely Mumbai street food. Chinchu. These are all postcards. There are a lot of postcards here. The minimum salary for a middle class Korean would be somewhere between $2,000 to $2,500. These are fridge magnets, city magnets. Suhana. My favorite Korean street food would be tteokbokki. Will you collab with Sonal soon? I have already met Sonal 3 or 4 times. I think you can check her pictures on my Instagram. Yes, I am in Korea. Korea आने के लिए you need to study Korean. Try to get admission in some Korean university, and once you are qualified enough, you can try and find a job in Korea. Suhana. This is BD21 bag. You have bag. I am not sure when I will come to India because I stay in Korea. I just visit India. We have slippers and they are so cute. There were some questions that I asked, and one of them was, what do I miss doing in Korea, which I usually used to do in India, which is eating on street food. I miss the chaat, Indian chaat, Mumbai chaat, the bhel puri, the sev puri, and the pani puri so much. I want to eat them so much. I usually miss them a lot. Yes, I will go out. My birthday is in February 5th. I will show the BD21 store and then I will go out. Maybe in next 5 minutes I will go out and I will show you outside. Masala puri, yes. How can I miss masala puri? You will send me pani puri. Oh my god. You are so nice. Big Hit Entertainment is not here because Entertainment is somewhere far. I am in the BD21 store. It is a flagship store. Don't cry, Drama Queen Nandu. Bunny? Okay, I'll show. I am an Aquarius. No, I am not a hard believer of horoscopes. भूरा है ना, तो भूरा है. I told, मैंने 3 बार बताया. I studied Korean myself. I studied through using Korean websites like Talk to Me in Korean. I watched a lot of YouTube videos. I used to talk to my Korean friends, and I have my Korean family, so they helped me a lot. My husband is not with me right now, but maybe next time I'll introduce my husband as well. Yes, Korea is expensive and these things are also expensive. I also want everything from here. I am into consulting, I do freelancing, I do translations, I do a lot of different things here. I have been to BD21 Cafe. Yes, I think. No, I don't work with Samsung. Yes, Indians can become a K-pop idol. It is, you just have to train yourself and be yourself as hardworking as the idol trainees here do, because not just other country people but Koreans work really hard to become an idol. It is not easy even for a Korean to become an idol. Big Hit Entertainment is located in Seoul. I think it is. Where is Big Hit Entertainment Company located? It is in Gangnam?
No,
Big
it
Hit?
is at Samsung station.
Okay, so it is somewhere near Samsung station. There is a station. मेघा राजपूत. मैं जाऊंगी बाहर, मेरे साथ बने रहो, मैं बाहर जाऊंगी तो बाहर भी देख लेना, पहले अंदर का देख लो.
In case you want to see some places in Seoul, you can always tell me.
How difficult is it to get into Korean university? It is not that difficult if you have all the documentation and if you have everything which is required for admissions, then you can get admission in a Korean university. Do Indians like Indian? Yes. Indians like Indian. Yes, Korean people also like Indian culture. My husband respects and likes Indian culture. He likes eating with his hands when he's in India. He also likes different things which are very unique about India. These are $14. I'm telling you, these are $14, so you can just try using currency converter and you will get the price in Indian currency. I made you. I like that. I like that. La, 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 I love it. I got married to a Korean in Indian cultural way. Yes, they're so cute. These are folders. Oh, my Koya. Koya is sleeping here. These are bed covers. You can sleep using these bed covers. Cookie here. Not every trainees get paid. You can check all the details for traveling on the Indian Embassy. I love this section. It is so white, so nice.
Indian Embassy.
Yes, the babies are so cute. These are all the baby version. I like you. Is it compulsory to study in Korean university to get a job? Mostly, I would say it is better because that will give you equal opportunities as a Korean. No, I did not attend any BTS concert. Hello. I also got questions where people were asking me if I am a full-time blogger. No, I usually make videos whenever I have time. I try to schedule myself and try to edit my videos, and I upload them on my YouTube channel. Yes, I love you too. After completing 10th, no, I would recommend you to come to Korea for your master's or your PhD. Don't come here for graduation because it is very expensive.
All the lovely Line Friends characters, including the cute and sophisticated Brown and Friends.
I am in Hongdae right now.
21.
My YouTube channel's name is Hubby Land. Hubby Land. Yes, Koya is sleeping. Koya likes to sleep.
Stores have already versioned
Nadu 사랑해.
around the world, such as Seoul, New York City, Tokyo, Shanghai, and Hong Kong. Make happy memories today with Line Friends' high-quality products and our unique
Hi, Shaguna.
Thank you.
大家好，欢迎来访备受全世界喜爱的全球创意喜剧形象品牌。
Yeah, you guys can subscribe. You don't need to ask me. It's up to you. If you want, you can. If you don't want, you cannot. It's up to you.
和他的朋友们以及备受
I would recommend you to practice speaking Korean because the more you speak Korean, the better it is.
可爱的卡通角色，
This is the entire store.
可在市中心进行全新品牌体验的主题空间，在首尔、纽约、东京，
My YouTube channel is Hubbyland.
全球主要城市也拥有超
Saranghe, it means I love you.
蓝天的产品和卓越服务，愿您在此度过今日最美好的时光。
Yes, I remember you. My favorite Korean food is spicy food. I like usually spicy food, so I prefer hang tteokbokki. This is BD21 store. Yes, I want you all to send me questions. Don't just send me hi, hello. If you ask me questions which you have about Korea, I will reply to them. This is the bed sheet. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is so nice. And this is the entire family. I don't know to make kimchi. This store is in Hongdae. भोरा है नादू. I think I should go down and maybe I'll go out. Okay, I'll just go down and I'll show you everything which is down here. So this is one last look of the second floor. Kimchi is like preserved cabbage. It is a very famous banchan which is used. पूरा है नादू. Yes, I know to cook Korean food, but I don't cook it very often. Thank you. And this is outside. All of you who have been asking me to show outside. No, it is not very hard to find vegetarian food there. 이제 밖에 나갈 건데 제가. 네, 감사합니다. 다른 종류 Okay, so finally I'm coming out because I tried to show as much as possible. So this is the BD21 store from outside. Yes, my husband likes Indian food. I had to abruptly come out because they told me that I can't do live session inside. All the live which I was doing up till now was secretly. I tried to avoid all the workers and I tried to do my live. Yeah, it is easy to find Indian restaurants in Korea. There are these days many Indian restaurants. Borahe means I love you.